Hello.
Hey guys.
We're gonna make our little video. We closed on the house today, so very excited about that.
June 17th.
June 17th, yeah.
2020.
So we're gonna show you, this was just our day one. Ripping up the carpets was first step, so we ripped up all the carpets. And then tomorrow is cleaning, needs a nice deep clean. Next step is painting after that, I guess. Yep. Yeah, so we'll show you the house.
So here's the front of the house. There's our little helpers, Becky and Doug. So there's an ugly gate.
Really ugly gate.
On the front door that we ripped off. So it looks nice and, I don't know, just fresh now.
Yeah, it was really ugly.
Olivia hated it.
That had to go.
So here's the living room. Got our paint samples on the wall.
We've had a lot of different choices here with the paint. We're really struggling on the decision. Well, I think we're doing good now. But there's not a ton of natural lighting in the house and not a lot of lighting in general. So we wanted something light to make it feel lighter. And yeah, so here's our paint tables everywhere. I think we're leaning towards this one right here. Had to put on all the different colors. So I think this one we're leaning towards. But yeah, because we didn't want a blue gray, we didn't want a green gray, we wanted a true gray, but that was light.
As you can tell, it's pretty dark. Need to get some lights so that we can work once the sun goes down. But our main mission is to finish our bedroom so that we can live here.
Yeah, we can at least live in the bedroom.
So,
Yeah.
bedroom's pretty much ready to get painted now. Once they clean, we're gonna paint the baseboards, the trim, all white. Around the windows white, and then we're gonna figure out what color we're doing in the bedroom and do our bedroom. Bathroom, we're keeping that for now. You know, got your toilet. And here's the laundry room that we're not sure if we're gonna convert it to a bedroom, like office, game area right away, or if we're gonna keep it a laundry room. That's still up for debate. We love our mirrors. And yeah, the only thing in here is that there's this little extra piece of plywood that's underneath this crap. So we're not sure if we're gonna have to tear that out probably, which is gonna be a pain in the butt, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Here's the other bathroom. It's just gonna get painted, pretty much stay the same. For now. Eventually we're gonna get some nice tile in here.
Phase one.
Yeah, this is not phase one.
All right, now we're in the kitchen. So, kitchen, what we're gonna do in the kitchen is paint the same gray color that we're doing everywhere. And then we're gonna put the floor all the way around so it'll be in the kitchen too as well. So that'll be nice. And then eventually, once we do paint and floors and that we can live in here, then eventually down the road we will paint the cabinets white and take off that thing first, that whatever that is. Maybe do something on top of them. We'll see. But we like it because we have lots of cabinet space. This is my favorite part. It has these little drawers that pull out. So that's super nice. Love that. Really excited about that. Fireplace. Definitely want to whitewash the fireplace in another phase. Seth says no. Why not?
I don't think you should paint brick. I think it's a fad. But what's up, MTV? This is my fridge. You know, you got all the essentials, leftover Chipotle, candy, you know, nice Ryan guys, some water. Hey, you know, hard working, you gotta do what you gotta do.
Okay, gotta do backyard.
Don't paint brick, in my opinion, but it's probably gonna be an argument later down the road.
No, everyone's painting brick. Even people painted brick 20 years ago. Fireplace.
Here's some birds that made a nest up in this thing, but it fell. I guess there was a storm or some wind came. And hopefully they don't get eaten by anything. That would be sad. But here's our backyard.
Honestly, in my opinion, what I would like to do with this is wood these up and take the cover off and do like lights or something, or do wood planks with lights.
That's like phase 20.
That's like phase a long time, but
also we're gonna put some brick probably up to about here and maybe wood that off like she said and make it look all nice. But for now, it's nice to have an awning. That way we can sit out here and dry. Got to get rid of that wood immediately. It's termite central. But yeah, nice big backyard.
Gonna have a nice fire pit back there.
Mm-hmm.
We have a little bridge that goes back to a creek. That's nice.
Yeah, got a shed. Airing it out because it smelled pretty bad. But yeah, it's empty. You know, we're excited.
Yeah, so excited.
That's our house. We're gonna keep you guys updated as we do stuff, and we're gonna figure it out. We don't know what we're doing.
Yeah, we don't.
But you know, that's what YouTube and Reddit is for.
True.
So thanks for watching. This has been Seth and Olivia Cooper.